Whoa, what up? What's up? Look, we're about to take a quick look at the Air Max 95 ERDL Party in the white and multi-colorway. I ain't really got time to be doing all the box and everything else, man, so we're just gonna run through this right quick. I might even stop talking, you know what I'm saying? Just let some music play or something, let y'all see the shoes, man. I don't know, but looking at the shoe, man, it's exactly the same as the black pair that I just uploaded. You know what I'm saying? Except for these are white. You know, so it didn't really make sense for me to go ahead and do a full out video, man. And at least that's how I felt, man. You know what I'm saying? I started to not even do the video, but I wanted to give y'all the footage, you know what I'm saying? So here it is, man. You know, look at them. Let me know what you think. You know, I know some people favor white more than black or black more than white when it comes to kicks. You know, so now you got a choice of whichever one it is you like, man. You know, everything is identical. It's the same as the black pair. You know what I'm saying? The insole, which you can see is pink on this one. And it was the same on the black pair, man, you know, so I ain't really gonna go into too much detail about it, man. Overall, I think it's a dope shoe. Pretty hot. You know what I'm saying? I think it's gonna flash out, you know what I'm saying? So we're gonna see how it do, man. The other shoe is exactly the same as the black. You know, like I said, the only thing that changed about these two different shoes is the color. You know, black, the base of the shoe, the black or the white, you know, everything else the same. So like I said, it's still a dope shoe to me, man. You know, I'm not really into all the colors, but to each his own, man. You know what I'm saying? So as a look at the shoe, man, you know, and it is what it is, man. Y'all stay tuned, man. Turn your notifications on too, man, because I'm going to be dropping a couple of videos. I'm a little bit busy tonight. You know, I got a lot of things to do, man. So I might drop another video or two tonight. I ain't sure. I might wait, you know what I'm saying? So that was my look at the Air Max 95 ERDL Party in white multicolor. Y'all go ahead and subscribe to the channel, man. Turn your notifications on. Follow us on Instagram at PeddlersAir504. You heard me? And I'ma holler back.